The enzyme levels are stable.
Yes, cross-reference with the behavioral data from Unit 7.
The hydraulic lift is active. Vitals are holding steady.
Good.
Proceeding with transfer protocol gamma. Route them to examination bay 3.
Some workers are taking these lions to another lab and seating them on a bench.
Administering the injection to the female now.
Vitals are stable. Continue monitoring.
Okay, injecting the male.
Vitals are stable on table 2.
Good. Let's maintain the current anesthetic level.
Administering the compound now.
Make sure those hides are flat.
They are. Clear!
Engaging the press now. Stand back.
These workers are taking the hides out of the pressing machine, carrying them to another warehouse, and placing them on a table. These workers are applying some chemicals on the lion hides.
The laser machine is cleaning the hide, and once it is cleaned, it applies a white cream and then removes it.
Some workers are lifting these hides and placing them into a drum that contains red dye, and as soon as the hides are dipped in the drum, they turn red.
They lift the large green hide and place it on another table. Then the two workers walk over, pick up a white hide,
The workers take the blue-colored hide out of the tub and place it on a table. Then they walk back, pick up more hides, and put them.
All these hides, red, yellow, green, blue, gray, and black, are placed together on a lift, and the camera is showing all of them clearly. They are placing the green-colored hide under a pressing machine to press it, then lifting it and setting it aside, and many red-colored hides are placed there. They are placing the black-colored hide under a pressing machine to press it, then lifting it and setting it aside, and many red-colored hides are placed there.
When some workers place these hides into a machine, wool-like material comes out from the other side of the machine, forming large sheets that come out through a lift.
Some workers are picking up these hides, placing them on a large table, ironing them, and pulling out long sheets from them.
Lay that section flat over here.
We need more steam on this batch.
Watch the edges, keep it smooth.
These many workers are lifting the rolls and packing them into boxes.
These workers are packing the rolled sheets into large boxes and sealing them. 10 to 15 workers are lifting these boxes and placing them into the price section machine. Through a lift,
These boxes of sheets are stored in large quantities in another warehouse, and some researchers are coming in, checking them on their iPads.
15 to 20 workers are carrying these boxes and placing them outside the factory.
Watch the clearance on the right. Bringing it in slowly now. Guide them back. All right, hold it steady. A little lower now. Okay, clear to drop. All right, bring it in slow. Watch that side. Got it. Start stacking these against the far wall. Check this trailer thoroughly. Pay close attention to the canvas cover right there.
Yep. Understood. I'll check the back.
All right, your checking is complete. You are clear to proceed.